don't enjoy it at all. And it's like, as someone who does their own content and films a lot of things, it's crazy for me to say that I don't enjoy learning how to be a cameraman because they're so rigid with it when it's like cinematography and filmmaking is an art form. And the fact that they're making this art form feel like a chore, I don't like it. You know what I mean? Because everybody does art and everybody films, everybody acts, everybody does things in different ways. Like nobody does things the same, which is why everybody has their favorite director, their favorite filmmaker, their favorite people to work with in the industry. But they're teaching it one way, and if you make a slight mistake, they dox you for it. Like I remember I made a slight mistake, like my exposure was slightly off of my camera, and I got like 50, I kid you not, like 150 points off or 50 points off, something like that. I think it was 150 points off of an assignment, and I failed the assignment. I'm just like, what in the world? And they're like, and then I read the comments in the bottom comment section of the assignment page, and they're just like, yeah, your exposure was slightly off. I'm like, you